Hey guys, how you doing? This is Jeff from Captain Soot's House of Fire, and I was just wanted to do a quick burn video for you guys. This is an Enviro C60 60-inch linear gas fireplace. It's Enviro's C-series fireplaces. They're available 34, 44, 60, and 72. These are pretty high BTU fireplaces, so you get a lot of heat out of them. Depending on the size, of the fireplace, the larger it is, the higher the BTUs. So they do pretty good job heating, and as you can see, result of having high BTUs, you also have really nice and tall, robust flames. We have this shown here. This is with the driftwood log set and reflective panels in the background. So these reflective panels definitely give you a nice look. So you have a little bit of extra dimension of flame reflection. This is the safety barrier unit, so you have a safety screen on the front of these. But it is nice and fine, so as you can see, you can't even tell that it's on there. So it would be standard with the remote control, but you could set these ones up also with regular fire glass, different types of optional logs and backgrounds, such as a stacked stone or a fluted background as well available. We also have this set up with a cool wall kit, which transfers most of the heat from the fireplace to up above the TV. And that's pretty much it. So if you're interested in one of these, bang for the buck wise, it's definitely a good price point for what they're giving you in this fireplace. So it's not as cheap as a builder's unit, but not as expensive as some of the other brands, and the quality is very good. Anyway, if you're on Long Island, you want to put in, you like our work here, you could give us a call. Captain Soot's House of Fire, 631-842-2336. Thank you.